Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Medical assistant labor markets can be tricky, but we can solve this supply curve shift in 3 quick steps. Let's find the right answer together. A rightward shift in the supply curve means that more workers are willing and able to work at every wage level. We need to identify which factor makes entry easier. Decreasing certification requirements reduces the cost and time needed to enter the profession. This lower barrier to entry naturally encourages more people to join the medical assistant labor force today. Consequently, more individuals are willing to work, shifting the supply curve right. That makes option D our final winner. You totally nailed this tricky concept. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush, trust the given information, and check your steps carefully.